How to make the most money with DoorDash. DoorDash is a popular food delivery app that lets you make money by delivering orders to customers. To make the most money with DoorDash, you can follow these tips. Deliver during peak times when DoorDash pays extra. These are usually lunch and dinner hours, weekends and holidays. Seek out hotspots, which are areas with high demand for deliveries. You can find them on the map in the DoorDash app. Pick up batched orders, which are multiple orders along the same route. This can help you save time and gas and increase your earnings. Communication, punctuality, and ensuring you have the correct order go a long way with customers and can help you earn a higher rating and tips. You can also use a thermal bag to keep the food warm and fresh. Be strategic about what deliveries you accept. You can see the estimated time, distance, and pay for each order before you accept it. Try to choose orders that are worth your time and effort, and avoid orders that are too far, too small or too complicated. You can also use the decline button if you don't want to take an order. Multi-app, which means using other delivery apps like Uber Eats or Grubhub along with DoorDash. This can help you find more delivery opportunities and compare the best offers. However, be careful not to accept more orders than you can handle or violate any terms of service. Reduce your operational expenses, such as gas, maintenance, and insurance. You can do this by driving a fuel-efficient vehicle, keeping it in good condition, using a gas app to find the best prices, and choosing the best insurance plan for your needs. Save money on taxes by tracking your miles and expenses. You can use an app like Stride or Everlance to record your mileage and receipts. You can deduct these expenses from your taxable income as a self-employed worker. You should also set aside some money for taxes throughout the year to avoid surprises at tax time.